Amazon does it again. Look, I have never ever in my life looked like that before. Beauty and hair are a lifestyle, girl. Yes, it is. Because when you look your best, you do your best. And that's why we're here. But I'm so glad I bought this wig. This is the wig from Gorgius. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Very, very hard to open up, which I appreciate because people out here package stealing. No, we can't be having that. But yes, this says that it is a lifestyle. Okay. But no, to be honest, I was actually pretty nervous about getting a curly wig like this. Yes, it said it was human hair, but like who really knows these days? I will let you know that this hair is extremely soft. Very, very nice. I don't want to like comb it whatsoever. It's really nice. The density on it, I believe, is about 150 to 180. And it is kind of thick. It could be a little thicker, but I'm actually not complaining. This is my very first time trying out curly hair. You hear the baby in the back? It's in a 1B natural color, and it is really nice, I must say. I recommend this wig for anybody that's looking for something that's on a budget. This is just fresh out the box, so I'll definitely give you an update in about a month or so to let you know how the tangling and all of that stuff is doing. And I'm very, very satisfied with this wig. Do make sure you check it out. It is linked on my Amazon storefront.